Hello students, now in our next lecture of physics we are discussing about the laws of refraction. As we have already discussed about the refraction, and it means that whenever light passes from rarer to denser medium, it always bends towards the normal, and whenever light passes from denser to rarer medium, it always bends away from the normal. So here we will discuss about the laws of refraction. There are two laws. First of all, we will discuss about the diagram. Here it is a glass slab, and here or any medium, and from outside is a rarer medium, and here it is a denser medium. Denser medium have the refractive index mu2 and rarer medium have the refractive index mu1. For refractive indexes we will discuss about what is refractive index afterwards. So now whenever light comes in this direction, at this point when it passes from rarer to denser, we draw a normal and it forms an angle of incidence with respect to the normal. So incident ray formed angle of incidence I with the normal. When it passes to the denser medium, it not go in the straight direction, but it will bend towards the normal because its speed decreases. Means here for this ray it is the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, but when it passes into the denser medium its speed decreases because the denser medium particles strikes the speed light. Hence the refracted ray bends toward the normal, and here angle forms angle R. It is called refracted angle, and here is the normal. So we have air refractive index mu1 and we have denser medium refractive index mu2. So first law says that the incident ray, the refracted ray and normal all lie in the same plane. This is same as we already discussed in the first law, in the law of reflection. Now the second law is most important law for your academics and board also, that is called the Snell's law. The Snell's law says that mu is equal to sin I upon sin R. How this formula comes we will discuss later. It says that whenever we passes from one medium to another, then through the first medium the sign of angle incidence is I, and when we passes into the denser medium the sign of angle is R, and it is equal to, the ratio is equal to the refractive index of that medium in which we are passing, मतलब हम जिसमें पास हो रहे हैं. Okay, how this formula comes? You will take like this, mu1 into sin I is equal to mu2 into sin R. How this comes? The refractive index of that medium from which we are passing. From this rarer medium we are going to the denser medium. So from this rarer medium we will take the refractive index, multiply with the sign of angle of this rarer medium, mu1 into sin I, refractive index of rarer medium, multiply by refractive index, multiply by sign of angle of rarer medium, is equal to multiply refractive index of denser medium with the sign of angle of denser medium formed, that is sin R. So here when we divide, cross multiply, mu1 goes this side and sin R comes this side, we get mu2 upon mu1 is equal to sin I upon sin R. If mu2 refractive index is mu for some value and mu1 is equal to 1 for air, like mu2 is equal to 1.56 for glass, or we can write as mu. So afterwards putting the value in this formula, mu2 is mu, mu1 is 1, sin I upon a sin R, we get this formula, mu is equal to sin I upon sin R. This is the laws of refraction. Thank you.